Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I wanted to have a video ranking the products that I purchased in my recent holiday VIB Sephora sale haul. So I have a pretty good amount of products here, and I figure I can just rank them from my least to my most favorite, and that might be helpful for you guys. I heard that they're doing a new sale coming up on like the 3rd or something of December. So this is gonna get crazy. There's so many sales. It's such a fun time, but my bank account is like hating me right now, but that's okay. That is what it is. Par for the course. So let's go through this. I guess I'll rank them from least to most favorite. And this one's pretty easy to choose. Least favorite was something that I'm actually gonna return. It's this Holiday Vibes cream lip stain set from Sephora. So they were doing their Sephora sale items 30% off, or Sephora items. And this has a whole bunch of different colors of their lip creams. These are so dry, just so dry. I know I've tried this formula before, but I'm getting into like a matte lip, and I just wanted to try some more bold colors. So I went in and picked this up, and like, no, this is definitely not something that I'm really happy with. So unfortunately, this one is actually going back, and not a fan, would not recommend. The rest of the products were okay. Nothing else was like super bad for me. I guess I'll go with this one next, just because I picked up, you know, a couple of these Sephora lip kits because the deal was so good. And this one actually has one of those last products in it, those cream products. So the cream stain. So that's why I would rate this one low, but I didn't even open this one yet because I just knew I didn't like the formula. So maybe I'll give that one away. But this one also has two other products. This one I really like. This is a lip plumper. Very, very much on par with the things I love. So you just put it on, tingles a little bit. This is the nude one. It plumps up your lips. I'm a fan. I've always loved those. I have some of the other colors, but not this nude one. So I'm happy to have that. And then I have this other product in here as well. This is, I think, like a Shine Rouge from the Sephora line. And this is in the color, man, I don't even know, L15. They do this really weird where it's Not Your Baby is the name of this one. The dark lipped stain in here is in Copper Blush. It's really dark. No. And then, but this one's Not Your Baby, and this one is like a light pinky peach kind of color, but it looks better swatched on my hand than it does on my lips. Let me take off what I have on right now and I'll show you. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you that gloss because it's just a gloss. It's clear, so it just looks like a clear gloss, but I will show you this one. So this is the color Not Your Baby. I don't know, I think it's just too pinky for me. Not something I typically would wear. I felt like it looked more peachy on my hand, doesn't it? And then it gets on my lips and it's like pink. I don't know. But it's not really my favorite. I could make this work with some lip liners, and that's just what I'll do. But the formula feels really good on this. It is really nice. And this set was not too much money at all. Let me see if I could see the price. The price of this set was $18, so it was a good deal for this. I think just on its own, this is $12 typically. So I thought that this was a good deal, and I was happy with trying out this product. And you know, you kind of win some, you lose some. I'm gonna keep this one though, because I can get some use out of this. I don't like returning things, but I will if I feel like I have to. And unfortunately, this was like a have to. This is no good for me at all. All right, moving on to the next product. So we're gonna get, unfortunately, a lot of these Sephora things are at the bottom just because I love these other ones so much that I have to kind of put these towards the bottom. Another Sephora lip kit. This is the Holiday Vibes Lip Story set. 4 different lipsticks in here. I don't own any of the Sephora lipsticks, so I saw this, and then I saw that some of these were like only colors released for the holiday, like this nude one that I really wanted. And I like I said, I wanted to try some bolder colors I never have bolder colors, so I just figured I wanted to try some. So I thought that this was a great set because it came with so many, but the problem is these are cream formulas and they like slip and slide all around your lips. But that is like the dark berry one in here. And then they have like this bright holiday pink in here, or bright holiday red pink. It's red, but it's like a blue red pink, you know? And I like these, but they are interesting because they're so slippery. Anyway, I'm gonna try on the next two for you because these are my standouts and I just wanted to show you what they look like. This one's actually in the permanent line and this one it's called Celebrate and it's a metal one. And I was like, metal? That's gonna be really crazy. I don't know about a metal lipstick. Metallic lipstick does not work for me most of the time. Here it is right here. And I just wanna show you guys what this looks like on because I was very surprised. All right, let's go for this Celebrate metallic shade. Very intimidating. So this one, it turns out, I guess because it's the tone of it or just because it's like a nude, I really like this one. It's super comfortable on the lips, feels good. Obviously, it's just metallic, so it doesn't have any sparkles or anything in it or glitter, but I feel like it just looks like I have lip gloss on. So I can get down with this metallic shade. And so, like I said before, this is Celebrate. And I think that this is one of my favorites in the kit. And then I have one other one I'm gonna try on for you. So let me take this off. So as I took off that metallic shade, I think that the downfall of that shade is gonna be when it comes off because it does seem like it leaves like a little bit of glitter or something behind. This is the last shade, and this was exclusive to this kit, so that's the reason I got it. And it is in the shade Joy. And let me put this on for you guys. So this is Joy. It's a perfect nude, something I would wear every day, very comfortable formula. This is what sucked me in. I think this might be on like really, really bargain price right now. I thought I saw it in the sales section. I don't know what it is or what the total is, but it was on sale when I bought it for 30% off, but really comfortable, great formula, and I love this shade. I wish they had this in the permanent collection. I would have just bought that, but this is really nice and I would definitely recommend these. So I'm moving into, from here on up, I would recommend for sure. Next product I will go with is this Balm Dia Bright Cream. So this I think is like $40, something around that ridiculous price range. That's why I got it on sale and I really, really love this. It smells so good. It's by Sol de Janeiro and it's like my favorite scent ever. I have the body spray and stuff. Oh, it's so good. But I mean, super overpriced. Why can't they come out with this from a different brand is my question. Because I don't want to pay that much money for this. But this is a little bit different than their typical Bum Bum cream because this one has AHAs and vitamin C in it. So it's supposed to help with like, I think that K stuff that you get on the back of your arms. I can't remember what that's called, but it's supposed to be like an exfoliator with those AHAs in it. So it's like renewing your skin and brightening your skin and it smells delicious. Best scent ever. So way overpriced, only get it if it's on sale. And you know, I just had to splurge and get it for myself. So, but I definitely recommend the body spray. That's not that expensive and it still smells delicious. I'm like want to eat my arm when I put this on. It's so good. So that is my next ranked product. I don't even know where I am. I didn't like number these, so we're just going through it. Next one is once again something that's also overpriced, so that's why I bought it on sale. It's a Magic Eye Rescue Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. I actually don't have it right now. It's in my bathroom and I just didn't get it, but I figured I could just tell you guys it's a cream. It's in this luxurious glass packaging that makes it like $60 or something ridiculous. They do have refills now, but the refill only saves you like $5, so whatever. Anyway, it's a great eye cream. It really helps hydrate under my eyes, and I need that. I'm just getting older and my skin is so much more wrinkly under my eyes. It's a really big pet peeve of mine. So I was pulling out the big guns and decided to go with the Charlotte Tilbury product. It's highly recommended, and I just wanted to try it. I think it's good so far, but I don't think it's like the best thing on earth. I think it's way overpriced, but maybe my mind will change as I continue to use it, but it's okay. Definitely not worth $65, but if you can get it on sale, then that's always nice. All right, going to the next product. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're getting to the top like four or five products, top 4 or 5 products, depending on how you look at them. This one is definitely a winner. I don't know if they still have this in stock, but this is the Sephora like Micro Smooth Enchant Multitasking Baked Face Palette. This is really nice, really nice. I do have to say the bronzer in here is like a little bit different than I typically would wear. It's definitely a golden tone, undertone bronzer, and it's really light. So this is very much a light palette, but it is nice. My hand's a little wet from just cleaning it off, but I am gonna swatch these so they might turn out a little bit darker. The highlight in here is really beautiful, very nice, very like similar to Hourglass products, you know. I would say one of the blushes is pretty matte. I'll tell you about that in just a second. And then the other one is a little bit more shimmery, just, oh, they're coming off pretty powdery. But here it is swatched on my hand right there. So that's the bronzer. See, it's very golden. Just, you know, could come off maybe kind of orange on some people. I don't know, really golden. This is the highlight, really beautiful, not too crazy over pigmented. So it is nice and creamy and blends well. And then these are the 2 like blushes. This one is a little bit deeper, punchier, and more matte. And then this one is more shimmery, kind of sparkly, lighter pink, probably like a deeper peachy pink shade right there. So this was $20, I think, without the discount. And then they had it on discount for 30% off when I picked it up. But one thing I would say is they are baked, which they're just extremely powdery formula. So just be aware of that. You'll probably go through it pretty quick if you use it regularly, but that's good because how often do I go through makeup products? Like, I've got so much crap. It's the most ridiculous thing ever. Okay, top three. Okay, this is hard. This is difficult. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one first, I think. I really like this Patrick Ta blush palette. I was pleasantly surprised. Everybody's talked about this. I did a video on it. I can link it in the cards. This is beautiful. 3 different kind of color stories, like a bright pink, a bright coral, and this really kind of muted tan color. Let's see. It's like a muted berry almost. And then it's, you know, matching powder and cream colors. I did a video on this, like I said, and it is just stunning. It's very stunning. And don't be very scared of them. You can tone down either these brighter colors with this like more mauvey nude color, and it really just kind of tones them down. This is a great formula. He is so good at what he does. Ugh, I love it. Love it. So now let's go on to number 2. I know these top products pretty well. So this, I'm kind of including both of these in here. So this was the first product that opened the door for me on these Rare Beauty lip souffles. I had no idea what I was missing out on, and I saw this little kit and I was like, I'll give that a try. I think it was like $20 for this little kit. Came with 2 products in here, one like lighter and more mauve. This is like a permanent collection one for them. This is in the color Courage, and this is like a matte liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry down. It's just a lip souffle. It's so nice and creamy. It leaves a matte finish on your lips. I'm gonna try these on for you guys really quickly, just because they're that good. And then this little one is just like a temporary shade that they brought out for this holiday kit, and it is this like deeper brown. And upon like first view, it's like, whoa, who's gonna wear that? But I mix the two together, and that is like my perfect combination. I think I went back and I picked up this other one because I loved it. Heroic is this one, and I really want to get into brighter shades, and I feel like the winter time is the best time to do that for me personally. And oh, this one is so pretty too, this Heroic shade. So the thing is with these, you can like mix them together. I saw Rachel Loves talking about that, and then that's what like made me want to buy them. So let me take this off and let's go through some combinations. Okay, these two I haven't mixed together yet, so this is gonna be fun. We'll do it together. So what I would do is put more of the neutral color down. This is Courage. And build up your courage and put that down first. And then let's go in with Heroic. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I haven't done this before, so I thought Rachel might have said this was her favorite combo though. That is not why I picked Heroic, but I really wanted that color. All right, it's like a soft purpley color. That's a little bright for me with those two. So now to deepen it up, I'm gonna go in and mix this one, and we'll just put a couple dots on there and see what we think. Or actually I just put it on my finger and then go in. All right, so I think we came up with a pretty cool color in the end. I don't know why, I just like mixing these. I really like the combination of this one with this one. It's like not too dark, then it's a little bit more brown. I think that this is a cool like darker or kind of just mid-tone berry, but now it looks like a lot easier to wear, I think, because of the fact that we toned it down. And I mean, it's just a combination of these three. So it's like mix and match lipstick fun over here. And this formula lasts a long time, super comfortable on the lips. It does transfer a little bit, barely at all. And it's so comfortable, long lasting. Winner, go get this kit. If it's not sold out, go get that kit. I'm telling you, you're really gonna like this. I think you would anyway. I do. So last but not least, my favorite product is the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. So the Face Glam Palette. I have a video on this. I'll link it in the cards. Here it is in all its glory. So it's got a highlighter, cream blush, and then it has all these eyeshadows. Super sparkly, beautiful. This is the light version. They have a deep version as well. I'm so happy with this product. I don't think I need the deep one, but if I ran across some extra money, maybe I would get it. Anyway, I really love this smooth formula, pigmented, buildable. These metallics are something else, man. I don't know what she did, but these metallics are amazing and I can't get enough. They are beautiful. I have to like force myself not to use this palette, you know? I would use it every day, but I'm like, no, Jamie, you have much more makeup to get through. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed my haul. You know that, oh my gosh, all the Black Friday stuff is starting to come in. I might have like went extremely nuts. So I'm gonna have to do some videos on that. Maybe some fashion videos too, because I got a bunch of Abercrombie clothes because I wanna make sweatpants look cool. I don't know if anybody else is on board with that, but that's where I'm going right now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you again soon. Bye.